This is the multi-cell charging module board. It is used to charge 2S, 3S and 4S, 3.7 volts 18650 batteries. The input voltage of multi-cell charging module board is 3 volts to 6 volts DC. This is the positive and negative DC input. This is the Type-C USB DC input voltage. This is the LED indicator for charging and full charge battery. This is the negative and positive DC output of the battery charging. The DC output of the battery charging depends of the battery configuration of the multi-cell charging module board. The multi-cell charging module board has 3 types of configurations: 2S, 3S, and 4S. The multi-cell charging module board has 1 ampere, 2 ampere and 4 ampere. This is the 2S 1 ampere, 2S 2 ampere, and 2S 4 ampere. This is the 2S multi-cell charging module board wiring block diagram. The charging voltage of 2S is 8.4 volts. 2S means, is 2 batteries in series connection. This is the 3S 1 ampere, 3S 2 ampere, and 3S 4 ampere. This is the 3S multi-cell charging module board wiring block diagram. The charging voltage of 3S is 12.6 volts. 3S means, is 3 batteries in series connection. This is the 4S 1 ampere, 4S 2 ampere, and 4S 4 ampere. This is the 4S multi-cell charging module board wiring block diagram. The charging voltage of 4S is 16.8 volts. 4S means, is 4 batteries in series connection. I hope you have an idea on the 2S, 3S, and 4S multi-cell charging module board. In my next video, I will teach how to use the multi-cell charging module board. Thank you for watching.